Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to return the products on Goat Sneaker and Apparel app. Now if you want to return the product on Goat Sneaker and Apparel marketplace but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to return the product on Goat app, make sure that you are logged into your Goat account. So open the Goat app or Goat website and log into your account from where you have made the purchase. After that you need to go on the order section. So you need to click on the profile icon and here you'll see the option of wants, offer, owns, Goat storage and orders. So click on the option of orders, which is at the very bottom of the screen, and here you'll see the option of purchase and sold. Now you need to find the order that you want to return and you need to tap on it and see the details. If your item is eligible for return, then you will see the option of request return or return option. And the Goat app typically allows you to return after 7 days of delivery for sneakers and 30 days for the apparels which you have purchased from this. So if you are eligible for return, then Goat will guide you to the process and give you the on-screen instruction to return the product. So depending on the situation, you might be required to pay for the return shipping, or Goat might cover if it is an issue with the item itself. So that's it. That's how you can return the product on the Goat Sneaker and Apparel app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.